Take a little trip, take a little trip with me. Take a little trip, take a little trip and see. So yeah, I managed to get some stuff done today down here. Taking full advantage of the beautiful 70 degrees that we had here today. It is supposed to rain Wednesday, so I'm going to be coming down here again tomorrow. Hopefully, to get some more done. Doesn't look like much right now, but I managed to get over in this area. Right there's the pond. Normally, I take pictures from over in here, like that end, but now I'm more on the side of it. So, I managed to get a little bit of it cleared up. I do have some brush there, and some brush there, and some brush here. Trash dirt, maybe. I'm just trying to work my way in so I can get a better idea of how I'm going to go about actually making a driveway through here. So it is kind of slanted, but before I had gotten to this point, and so up there is the camper. Up right there is the camper, and then you just come down. See, come down through here, and then today I made the turn to the right and went over to there. And there's the pond. Yay! Hope you're having a blessed day.